Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the ADX Dashboard indicator for MT4. Okay, so after you have downloaded the indicator and added it to your MT4 indicators folder, you just come to the navigator bar, just refresh, right click and refresh. All right. After doing that, you just look for the ADX dashboard here, drag and drop. Okay, ensure that the allow DLL import box is checked. Then you go to the inputs. If there is anything that you want to modify, you can modify them. You can see here the settings we have here are, you know, okay, apart from these ones here, we have the ADX period. You can modify the period depending on the sensitivity that you wish to have. If you want more sensitivity, you reduce the value here. If you want lesser sensitivity, you increase the value. And then you have the level for alerts, you have the level down, and then we have notifications. If you want notifications on, just going to change this to true. You have a desktop MT4 notifications, email notifications, push mobile notifications, and all of that, right? Just click on OK. Okay. Now, this particular indicator is directing us to install the DX Wilder indicator. All right, so I'm just going to do that shortly. All right, so to install the DX Wilder indicator, all you just have to do is a simple Google search. Once you've done that, just download the indicator and add it to your indicators folder as well. So now I'm just going to refresh this. All right. Okay, DX Welder, alert, inputs. All right, you can see that it's the same settings, right? And just click on OK. All right, so now you can see that this indicator all right, so the ADX dashboard depends on the DX Wilder indicator, right? It seems like that is the case. That is the reason why it did not work without the DX Wilder. All right, so the indicator has a dashboard, as you can see here, a specialized technical analysis tool, all right, that enables traders to monitor the average directional index across multiple currency pairs, right? So you can see here we have GBP USD. You can see the values for GBP USD. You can see the values for Euro USD. Okay, let's just go to the settings again. I think the values are across EU and GU. Okay, let's go to the inputs. Okay, you can see. Okay, let's see if we can be able to add another, if it's going to work. Okay, so if you want to add another currency pair, all you just have to do is go to the settings, just like I did now. You go to the settings and then you just separate by a comma. As you can see, add separate by comma. You just put a comma and you add the currency pair. Okay, so you can see it gives you the the values right across the ADX readings across multiple currency pairs. Then you can be able to use that to make your trading decisions. All right, ensure that you also pay attention to price action, get confirmations, candlestick confirmations, and chart patterns if necessary before executing your trades. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, kindly like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more valuable tips and strategies. Cheers for watching. See you in the next video.